Hi, I'm Nelson, and this is the Sir Nelson English School. In this school, we help you to improve your reading, writing, speaking, and listening. We also help you to pass the IELTS test. In this particular video, we are going to look at cooking. We are going to learn some of the common verbs that are used in cooking. For example, in the picture, we have someone doing something. How do we call that? We call that cooking vocabulary. Which word do we use when someone does something like that? Number one, that is slicing or chopping. That kind of cutting which is in that form is what we call slicing or chopping. Number two, cutting. We call that cutting. Number three, mixing. If you're in the kitchen and you do something like that, different ingredients, we call that mixing. Number four, pouring. What he's doing, he's pouring something, probably whiskey. Number six, stirring. After putting sugar in tea, after putting something when you are cooking and you do something like that, we call that stirring. Number six, adding. You add something to something. You add salt, you add sugar, you add anything. That is called adding. Number seven, sprinkling. Using your fingers to do something like that. Sprinkling. Sprinkling. Number eight, add or putting. You are putting something or adding. You can use add or putting. They can all work. Let's practice. What's number one, number two, number three, number four, number five, number six, number seven, number eight. Now let's learn some other vocabulary. So we call this ordering fast food. Food which looks like this is called fast food in English. Remember, we are learning English. English is not our native language. English people like this kind of food. Since this is not our native food, many students have a problem with this food. So I'm going to give you the picture and how do we call this kind of food. Number one, a hamburger. When you go to a fast food restaurant, KFC, and you see something like that, that is called a hamburger. Number two, something which looks like that is called a hot dog. Then we have a donut. Number four, a pizza. Number five, a sandwich. Number six, a taco. Number seven, a bagel. Number eight, chili. Let's practice. What's number one, number two, number three, number four, number five, number six, number seven, and number eight.